Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. You see the part 2 of Taj Mahal. Mumtaz, while he delivering the 14th come and on 17 June 1631, she died. The entry Mughal Empire plunged into sorrow. This news hit Shah Jahan like a arrow. It completely shattered his world. Shah Jahan's first love and his most beloved wife. Mumtaz Mahal was no more in his heart that his sorrow pushed. Shah Jahan is into darkness for the next 8 days. He did not eat anything, and for the next neither he listened to any music nor used any perfume before dying. Mumtaz Mahal wished for one thing. She wanted her grave be made inside the most beautiful tomb in the world. To complete this task and Mumtaz Mahal last wish, Shah Jahan decided to dedicate his whole life and wealth. 6 months after the death of Mumtaz Mahal, the construction work of the Taj Mahal being around 20,000 laborers and craftsmen we brought from the entire empire armies of men widely brought to Agra. On Shah Jahan order become Mumtaz Mahal grave was presented on the bank of Yamuna river. Therefore, it was a very difficult task to construct the most beautiful building in the world. The land beside the river is soft, and so if the place is excavative, then the flow could hurt the foundations of the Mahal. To solve these problems, Mughal engineers started digging many walls. After the foundations, now it was time to decide the building that no one had ever seen, a design that would break all the records. The idea of the Bellevue was taken from his father, dam and building Corey from grandfather dam, and the idea of the dome from his uncle. It is said that during the construction of Taj Mahal, so many people were broadly that food spillers rain shot in the surrounding areas because of them to take care of the burros. Shah Jahan had brought food supplies from the surrounding areas to Agra. Now complete the building, and now it was time to design the and decorate will be marble. This marble was brought it from Rajasthan 400 km away from Agra. Thousands tons of the marble were brought it from Rajasthan to Agra with the help of thousands of elephants. Among the special things about the Taj Mahal is that if changed colors for fuller times and days before the sunrise, if give back shade after the sunrise, it has a light yellow and pink shade, and in the afternoon it looks aspectically white, and during the sunset the entire of building looks golden after 22 years. In 1654, the constructions work of the Taj Mahal was completed. Shah Jahan was successful in completing the world's most beautiful dam for his beloved wife for years. Later in 1658, his son overfounded the Thorny and became the empire of the Mughal empires. Shah Jahan was made prisoner and kept inside the Agra fort. One facility was given to Shah Jahan that his world back able to see the Taj Mahal through the window. At the age of 74 years, Shah Jahan to left this world. It's die. Now it was time for Shah Jahan and to meet Mumtaz Mahal, and he was burned inside the Taj Mahal. Hope you will like and share this historic Islam videos. My heartfelt appreciation for your loving comments. We will meet you in another amazing video. Now take care and goodbye. अल्लाह हाफिज़।